Welcome to the AB-731 Microsoft AI Transformation Leader Exam Style Q&A series. Here's question 5. Question 5. Which impacts does effective prompt engineering have on generative AI solutions? A. Improves response relevance to the business task. B. Enhances consistency of generated outputs. C. Eliminates the need for AI governance policies. D. Enables better control over tone and format. Correct answers. Option A. Improves response relevance to the business task is correct, because well-designed prompts clearly define the task and business context, leading to more relevant AI responses. Option B. Enhances consistency of generated outputs is correct, because structured prompts guide the AI to produce consistent outputs across multiple interactions. Option D. Enables better control over tone and format is correct, because prompts can specify tone, style, format, and structure, giving better control over AI-generated content. Why the other option is not correct? Option C. Eliminates the need for AI governance policies is incorrect, because prompt engineering does not replace governance, oversight, risk management, or compliance controls. AI governance is always required regardless of prompt quality. Exam tip. For AB-731 prompt engineering questions, remember, prompt engineering improves relevance, consistency, and control. It never removes governance or accountability requirements. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, so we can bring you more AB-731 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.